I read everybody's comments, and I see that my Jolly Roger pirate flag on my FJ Cruiser is polarizing. But everybody likes the American flag, and I'm getting a lot of requests wanting to know how you can do a flag mount on your FJ Cruiser or your TRD Pro roof rack. So you know that job satisfaction feeling you get after doing a modification? Get ready for it again as I show you how easy this is. $26, 2 parts. Links will be in the description, and about 10 minutes of your own time using your own personal hand tools from around your house, and you'll be flying your colors. Whether it's the American flag, the Aussie flag, the Union Jack, a pirate flag, or even your pro sports teams. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a mounting bracket for the roof rack. Our FJ Cruiser and the TRD Pro roof rack measures 1.75 inches. This mounting bracket comes with all different sizes of shims and stuff that go inside here and is fully adjustable stainless steel bolts, and it'll even come with a little Allen key for those of y'all that don't have your own Allen key sets. And before you mount this on your truck, you're going to want to drill this hole out. All right, so here is the way your flag holder mount will work. This right here unscrews, flag goes down in the hole there, and then you crank this down and that tightens up on there. You will need to undo this and drill this out so that it fits through here. So I'm gonna say, without measuring, that's about a 1/2 inch hole, and that's about 3/8. So you gotta drill that hole out a little bit more to make this work. And then it just clamps down, and it's that simple, and you are done. And for those of you millennials that are trophy incentivized, that you gotta have stickers and badges, here you go. They provide you a nice, cool little sticker for your window. Once you have your bracket assembled, 2 screws right there, bracket will mount on anywhere's upper, lower, front, back mount. That's up to you. Personally, for me, this works best because it allows me to open up my cargo box from either direction without bending or breaking the pole. Now, this is an 8x12 flag that has been proudly flown. This is a 12x18 flag, which has not been proudly flown yet, but I'm ready to trigger some more of y'all with Jolly Roger. So once you've got your flag mount assembled, go shopping at Home Depot sells these, Michaels, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, they're all over the place. One of the suggestions I will give you is, depending on the flag, the poles can be rather long, which means this adds a lot of clearance issues depending on where you eat fast food or the height of your garage. Cut the wooden stick down to fit your needs. 2, I would strongly suggest when you buy one of these, they normally come with about 3 staples in here because it's China and they're just trying to save a staple because God knows how expensive one staple is. Put more staples in here so it will stay on. That's what I did on this one. This one has a different, has a sleeve on it. And what I did on it was I stuck some glue in the end just to keep it from rising up and down. And that's it. Links will be in the description. I'm out of here. See ya.